Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. Cosine x squared plus sine x squared equals to number 1. So we have cosine x squared in here. That means I will put this one go to the right. So I will put this one go in here. So we need to change the sign of this one. Nine minus 1, we have 8. We know that sine 2x, that is about 2 sine x cosine x. Cosine x, cosine x, we can do about factorization. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to sine x. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have cosine x dx. This one we change by u. This one we change by u. This one we change by u square. Cosine x dx we change by du. Next, number 8, I will put 4 plus 4. And we know that this is about identity. So we have u plus 2 to the power of 2. Now, we need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about u plus 2 equal to 2 tan t, because if I put this one go in here, we have 4 tan t square. Number 4, we can do about factorization. 1 plus tan t square, we change secant of t square, and later that we simplify the square root and du. Next, we see that 2u plus 3, we have u. So I will put number 2 go in here. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of tan t, we have secant of t square. This one that is about the constant, so you got about 0. So I will put this one go in here. U we change by this one. Du we change by this one. So this one we have 4 tan t square. Number 4, we can do about factorization. And this one we change secant of t square. The square root of 4 secant of t square, we have 2 secant of t. Number 2 multiplied by 2 tan t and negative number 2. Negative number 4 plus 3, we have negative number 1. Next, secant of t multiplied by 4 tan t and number 1. And now we have the final answer. The integration of tan t secant of t, we have secant of t. The integration of secant of t, we have ln of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t, and I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by number 2. And then we got t equals to arctan of this one. So I will put this one to change for t. So we know that tan with arctan, you got this one. Next, about u, that is about sin x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.